Hi, this is Daniel Ramey with Circo Innovations with another PVC design. As you can see in the videos we just saw, this design was used to transport trash cans to and from our pickup location. We're going to show you how to build this design today, and as you watch it, think of ways you can use this with just a few changes for your needs. Drop that idea in the comments below, and we'll see if we can throw that into our next video. For the whole how-to video, walking you through step-by-step and the pieces you need, go to our YouTube channel at circoinnovations.com. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.